how to get good clothes from Temu. So guys, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. Now, once you are on Temu guys, just simply use the search bar over here. And after that, just simply select or provide a keyword for the clothes that you want. So I'm gonna go for t-shirt, let's say. And now from here, guys, just simply click on filters over here on the top left. Now from here, a pop-up window will show up on the left side. And now just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here multiple options. But for this video, guys, we are going to be focusing over here. So just simply select this one with the 4-star and up. So just simply click on this one. And after that, just simply click on show results. So click on it. And after that, as you can see, guys, you should be able to see here all of the deals that are good. So as you can see, when we click on it now, if we scroll down, as you can see over here, you should be able to have good reviews about this shirt. And guys, as you can see, almost 92% of the people have provided a good feedback about this product. So guys, for this video, just simply go ahead and filter out by going for the 4-star, and from here you should be able to get the good deals and good clothes from Temu. And guys, I want to remind you that you can use the code ACR697477 for 30% off if you are going to buy a item from Temu. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.